Today, I'm going to take you for a ride on a whirlwind tour of Spanish idioms. The literal translations have one meaning, but figuratively, they mean something entirely different. Of course, the best way to learn Spanish idioms is to speak a lot with native speakers. Did you know that's exactly what we do here at BaseLang? When you sign up to learn Spanish with BaseLang, you get unlimited one-on-one classes with our teachers via Zoom. It's like immersion from your living room. All right, let's go through 12 of the most common Spanish idioms. First up, tener memoria de pez. It means you forget things too easily, like Dory from Finding Nemo. Ser un gallina, to be a hen. This is how we call someone a coward in Spanish. Meter la pata. It's a common way to say someone made a mistake or had a blunder. In English, you might say they put their foot in it, or just that they screwed up. Estar hasta las narices. This idiom means that you're totally annoyed at or tired of something. In English, you'd say to be sick to death, to be fed up, or I've had it up to here. Sin pelos en la lengua. This is used to describe someone who's straightforward and honest, perhaps a bit too honest. In English, you'd say that they don't mince their words. Buscar el príncipe azul. This one is for all my hopeless romantics out there who think they'll find their prince charming. Yep, in Spanish, this elusive man is blue. Good luck. Ponerse rojo como un tomate. Ever felt so embarrassed you could practically feel the heat rising to your cheeks? This idiom perfectly captures that feeling. No importar un pepino or no importar un rábano. Un pepino is a cucumber and un rábano is a radish. No importar means that it doesn't matter. So saying me importa un pepino or me importa un rábano basically means I couldn't care less. Estar hasta en la sopa. To be even in the soup. Can't seem to get away from someone or keep running into them everywhere you go? They're even in the soup. Phew. What do you think? I just have one more set of Spanish idioms for you that you'll probably recognize since you have almost the same ones in English. Let's go. Entre la espada y la pared. Okay, so this one is a bit different in Spanish and in English, since while you'd say you're stuck between a rock and a hard place, we say between the sword and the wall. Either way, it means that we're confronted with two bad options. A duras penas. Literally, this means at difficult hardships, but let's rather translate it as with great difficulty. We use it when we barely manage to do something. And finally, at number 12, this is the last Spanish idiom I have for you today. Salirse con la suya. Salirse means to leave or to get out, while la suya is a possessive pronoun. If I observe that tú te sales con la tuya, I'm saying that you're getting your way or you're getting away with it, even if I don't like your methods. With that, let's call it a wrap. How did you like these Spanish idioms I just showed you? If you want to review all the Spanish idioms you've just seen, plus a lot more, make sure to check out our blog post in the description below. And what better way to practice all of these idioms than to schedule your first BaseLang class today? At baselang.com, you get access to unlimited one-on-one Spanish classes with native-speaking teachers. Try your first week for only $1. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.